Hey there, I have a rather interesting question for you. I've been doing this work in the law of attraction and helping people create their lives by design, and even before that, I was doing stuff in physique transformation, just basically trying to facilitate personal transformation in various ways. And through various programs, obviously, the Wealth Beyond Reason program, I work in The Secret, books, videos, audios, blog posts, you name it, lots of information out there from us over the years. And what I'd really like to know is how this has impacted you. So in the comment section below, I would just be thrilled and honored if you would share a line or two or a paragraph or whatever is right for you as to how the work we've done here at Boundless Living or working with me personally in a coaching situation, just whatever, has impacted you, because that's going to help shape sort of the direction that we go over the next segment of time, and where we should put our focus and where we've been the most effective. So if you don't mind sharing that, that'd be awesome. And I want to choose a few of you for some one-on-one strategy calls, or just a conversation, you can think about it that way, where we just get on Skype and I help you kind of crystallize your vision, or just in the course of a 30-minute conversation, just kind of maybe do a reset button for you, however I can serve you in that 30 minutes. I'd like to do that for a few of you. So to qualify for that, just fill out the comments form below. I totally, absolutely appreciate it, and you can be sure that your comments and your feedback are going to help shape making our company and the offerings that we have even better for you and others to come after you. So thank you so much for your time and everything you've contributed to me over the course of our time together.